Whether you're repairing an existing roof or upgrading to a brand new one, the roof plays a vital role in safeguarding your investment and ensuring the comfort of its occupants.
Golden Spike Roofing was founded when I split ways with my previous employer and decided to hang my own shingle, so to say. We started in 2010, so this is year 14 for us. Denver is right on the leading edge of the Front Range, meeting the Rocky Mountains. The hot air on the plains will collide with the cold air coming over the mountains, and that collision of hot and cold air masses is what generates our major storm systems, be it hail, snow. We can get microburst. A microburst is like almost a tornado, and it can tear off whole sections of roofing just with wind power. So with those extreme challenges, and knowing that we have also a lot of snow coming in the winter and big rainstorms coming through in the summer months, a roof is a very crucial component to anybody's home.
Using the proper roofing materials can significantly impact the longevity and performance of your roof.
We try to push all our clientele towards what we call impact-rated roofing. There's Class 3 and Class 4 hail impact-rated roofing, and those are the products we want to see our customers get into. Not only is it going to give you an extra protection when the hail does come, it also will reduce your insurance premiums.
Our roofing crews are well-versed in all of the building codes for each city, each district, each county. The process to inspecting a roof, whether it be for repair, replacement, or to inspect for hail damage, would be obviously setting your ladder safely, getting onto the roof, checking for how many layers of roofing are currently on the roof system, checking the condition of the asphalt shingles. Once we determine either the repair or whether the roof needs to be replaced, we will then have a meeting with the client and go over our photos and show them what needs to be done with our knowledge and expertise. The most issues that you see with a roof here in Colorado are usually damages or leaks due to snow and ice damming with the weather that we get throughout the winter. The difference between a roof repair and a roof replacement varies, where repairs are usually a couple grand to repair the roof and prolong it to get it to its maximum life, whereas a replacement is usually, the rule of thumb is, however the total amount of square feet of the roof is, it's usually somewhere in the range of half that total amount. So if your roof is 2,000 square feet, your roof should cost somewhere in the range of $10,000 to $12,000, depending on materials and current pricing. The roof replacement process typically takes anywhere from 2 to 3 days.
Licensed and insured, Golden Spike Roofing is roofing done right.
We are licensed in over 50 municipalities up and down the Front Range area. As roofing contractors, safety needs to be a primary concern. We do require that our guys follow OSHA guidelines. The installation really hasn't changed a whole lot over the years. Laying an asphalt shingle is laying an asphalt shingle, laying a tile is laying a tile. The key is to stay in touch with your material representatives. When something new comes out, we want to know about it. We want to be able to offer that to our customers. In the roofing industry, we've seen everybody has gone to a limited lifetime warranty. All shingles are made and manufactured to such a high quality because they've improved the asphalt so much that they can tell us all these products are going to basically last as long as you're in your home. Asphalt shingles here in the Denver metro area typically last 25 to 30 years before they start showing signs of major deterioration.
Golden Spike Roofing has a different niche in the game. The repair division certainly offers a service to the community that most companies will not offer. We have a team of very well knowledgeable, experienced salesmen and project managers, and all of our repair technicians and roofing crews have over 40 plus years of experience in the industry.
Communication is key, and partnering with a reputable company is the best way to ensure a quality roofing job.
We've worked very hard in our 14 years of business to prove that not all roofers are crooks. My advice to the homeowners: don't cut corners on the front side, pick a quality contractor, do your homework. I am a proud supporter of the U.S. military. We have hired veterans. We've had active duty guard members that worked for me. I think the thing that sets us apart is we are actually an honest contractor. We've got that reputation now to where people know if they call us for an opinion, we'll give them an honest opinion. I've had people gone out to their roofs, said, you've got 3-4 more years left in the shingle before you're gonna have to do something, but wait, we're gonna get a hailstorm. Before we start taking your money and putting it in our bank account, we'd like to see you have an opportunity to use the insurance company's money.
To find out more about Golden Spike Roofing, visit goldenspikeroofing.com and designingspaces.tv.